What's the name of this camera?
Instax Mini. Mini. Ta-da! It was a Christmas present from my grandma and grandpa. It takes 2 AA batteries. So first, you push this button that turns on the camera. And you pick the setting.
So what do you like about the most?
This, that the picture comes out. Like on your guys' camera, it never comes out. It's staying in there. There's inside the house, cloudy, partly sunny, and sunny. Today we need partly sunny. And then you push this button to take a picture. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And then it comes out. Look at the picture I took. And then you shake it. Shake, 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 shake. You have to shake it for 1 minute. It's done. Yeah, I like it that the picture comes out. Now, like normal cameras, it's in the camera. You have to buy a printer to get the picture out. So you can only take 1 picture at a time. Yeah, if it's too bright, then some parts are going to stay white and you can't see the whole picture. Yeah, so you shouldn't waste it because it costs money. Let's see how many pictures. We only have 2 more pictures left. 3, 2, 1. Why did Dad? Here's a picture. Yeah, shake it. Dad, no, shake it for 1 minute. I only have 1 more photo left. What picture should I take? Oh, I got it. I'll take a selfie. 1, 2, 3. We're shaking it. I guess I have to change the film. Grab these. And then you open the camera. Oh, there. After you close it, you cannot open it until it's empty, or it will break the film. So the first picture doesn't come out. It's a fake one. Here, guys. It's ready. Take more pictures.
What's the B-roll? B-roll, yeah.
What's a B-roll?
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Please like this channel. Please like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.